rotate. So bouncy and so light, and it really blends in so well with my natural hair. I really love it.
Yes. And you can just make a ponytail.
Oh wow, and it seems so seamless. And it fits right in. If I don't tell you I have extensions in, you might not know.
Yeah.
Wow, that's how it really looks.
Thank you. Blessing.
Is it your hair?
Yeah.
Yes.
Extension flame.
Right? I know.
Fine.
Yes.
I love it.
Yes.
Hey, tips.
Mhm. Yes. All right. Thank you.